In this video, we will simplify an expression using two important power rules, the zero exponent rule and the power of a power rule. Here's the expression. We want to write it in simplest form. This expression has two factors. We will simplify each factor separately. The second factor is raised to the zero power. Any non-zero expression raised to the zero power equals 1. So the whole second factor becomes 1. That means the first factor still needs to be simplified. Now we can focus on the first factor. The zero power factor became 1, so it no longer changes the expression. The main rule is the power of a power. When a power is raised to another power, multiply the exponent. First, simplify the coefficient. The coefficient 2 is raised to the second power, so 2 squared is 4. Now, simplify the variables. For a, 1/2 times 2 is 1, so we write a. For b, 3/4 times 2 is 6/4, which reduces to 3/2. Now put the simplified pieces back together. 4 times a times b to the 3/2 power. So the final answer is 4ab to the 3/2 power. We do not write a to the first power, we just write a. A common mistake is thinking the zero exponent makes the factor equal 0. It does not. The whole factor becomes 1. Before submitting, check these three things. Did the zero power factor become 1? Did the coefficient get squared? And did you multiply the exponents? If yes, the simplified expression is 4ab to the 3/2 power.